Mr. President, as the first Jamaican fake news presenter here at the White House, I would like to say, Wagwan White House. Wagwan. Wow, I see Bernie Sanders in the house. Good to see you, Bernie. You know, folks, one thing that bothered me a little bit about Bernie Sanders is his excessive use of that S word, secretary. We all know that Hillary Clinton used to be the Secretary of State. But does Bernie have to remind us every 30 seconds in his speeches? Secretary Clinton? Secretary Clinton? Secretary Clinton? Secretary Clinton? It got so bad. One time I thought he was about to say, Secretary Clinton, this coffee is terrible. Make it again. Fix it again. Secretary Clinton, this speech is not good. I need you to do it over. Rewrite it. I think it's safe to say that Bernie Sanders loves secretary. CNN Dan Lemon is here, folks. Hey, Dan. CNN now has two things: the countdown clock and their breaking news montage. CNN breaking news. The CNN breaking news. Another CNN breaking news. And here's CNN breaking news. Their montage is beautiful. Folks, I'm going to tell you something that you never heard before. Dan Lemon is leaving CNN. Yep. And I can't believe it take a fake Jamaican news presenter to let you guys know about this. It's a shame. It's a shame that none of you could put this together. Dan Lemon just got a job with Beyonce. He's gonna be Beyonce's aide. Beyonce's latest project is called Lemonade. Lemonade. Our friend Dan Lemon over there is now Beyonce's new aide. Can't believe none of you real journalists could put that together. And it takes a Jamaican fake news presenter to break this. This story makes me the #1 fake news presenter on the planet, over Larry Wilmore and over TMZ. Joe Biden is here, folks. Uncle Joe, as I would like to call him. Joe Biden is that uncle that don't have no shame. Every family have one of those uncles. Have no shame. He used to be rich, make a lot of money, and waste and squander all his money on women and booze. Then start begging the kids $20. And still acting like he's a rich uncle. First Lady Michelle Obama, she's so beautiful. One thing Obama didn't know as a black man, he was supposed to change the name First Lady, because he didn't know that First Lady is the devil's favorite name. Once you call a woman First Lady, the devil jump in her right away. The devil loves First Ladies. Who do you think really killed Bin Laden? President Obama? No, man. President Obama and his men sitting around the table talking. Should he? Shouldn't he? Come on, Mr. President, we're waiting for your word. Michelle walking. So Barack, what's going on? What to think about? Give me the key. Give me the key to the Air Force One. Give me the key. Give me the key. She jump in Air Force One, go shot Bin Laden, come back, put on her apron, and go cook dinner. Trust me when I tell you this, Barack Obama is terrified of that woman. Donald Trump. Wow. Since Donald Trump started running for president, something strange started happening to me. All of a sudden, I'm totally turned off from the Jamaican common porridge. And I never knew why until now. Donald Trump here is the exact same color as the Jamaican common porridge. Just like I'm turned off from Donald Trump, the same way I'm turned off from common porridge. But how did all of this happen, folks? How did Donald Trump here and Donald Trump color get to be the exact same color as the Jamaican common porridge?
Puzzling.
Well, let me tell you a little story about Jamaican common porridge. The Jamaican common porridge came about when this Jamaican lady who was working for these rich people was making tonka meal for their dogs. Then she was pouring the water into the tonka meal and the pan slipped and all of the water get way into the tonka meal. This poor woman don't know what to do, because if she go to the boss and tell them what happened, they would have fired her. So she come up with some quick thinking and said, wow, what am I gonna do? So she decided to just mix it up, pour a little sugar in it, give it to the dogs, and the dogs them seem to enjoy it. And then she decided to sample it herself and realized, wow, but human could drink this too. And that is how the Jamaican caramel porridge came about. And after doing my investigation, I found out something very important. The person who that Jamaican woman was working for was Donald Trump's grandfather. So yes, folks, that stuff that Donald Trump doing now with firing people, telling people they're fired, that's his legacy. His parents and grandparents been doing that stuff for years. The first Jamaican fake news presenter here at the White House, out.
The way you made me feel. Gotta pinch myself. Can't believe that this is real. There is a God.
Yep, you see this rhythm is called the Bandwagon Riddim. Big up Irie Deal.
Happened by chance. You were heaven sent to me. Oh Lord, hey. With every morning I rise to some rays bouncing off your cheeks. The way your lips look so sexy, like you're kissing me in one of your dreams. Your long legs strapped across me, your arms holding me tightly. Just looking at your sleeping beauty, I know that God is real. I know that God is free.
Voice of Mr. Easy. Mr. Easy, big up yourself, Bridget.
Thank you very much. There's no other like her, and I can't live without her. And I say that for sure, yeah. Oh,
Mr. Easy rhythm called the Bandwagon. Don't forget, later on tonight we're inside Wembley. Church is inside Mingles. That's right. Road up on the road and the ramp with the big sound. And you wait till Soundfest. You wait. Here's an artist that's performing. His name is Little Hero. Classical music gonna come down from him and some God bless tune too. New tune. Little Hero is on the show, okay? Which other show gives you an opportunity to buy 2 tickets and get 1 free? Because we understand it's hard times, but you must take advantage of when we're giving these discounts, because we can't do it forever. But if you buck up Killer Boo, you buck up Dubmaster, you buck up DJ Rye, you buck up Oxtail, you buck up Jabba, you buck up RJ Ribs, you buy 2, you get 1 free, okay? Can I play another artist on the show?
In a real life.
Right now, I sell some furniture to you now.
Them say me nah must swear.
That me enough say. You pussy see here with the